Mama, which one you get today? All this how much? This one 27. This one how much last? This one uncle? Huh? This one will be 3,000.
Hey, you have to.
Say this one 3,000 for me.
Take this one, 2.5.
Yeah, I said that black one big pass. Okay. I can carry one for here. Carry big one no.
I don't think give you small one. That's it.
Okay. Cause that is it will be 5,500. Okay. That's the why I carry. Why I come here? They do camera. They ask me what I did.
Who's that?
Give me pepper. Na pepper I won't buy today.
Maybe I know that time.
Okay.
How much?
This one how much? That's small.
Pepper. 600.
Ah?
600.
Which one be 600? This one will be 300. What's it come make am 600?
That woman when they say granola, you know they come again. You know they come again.
Huh?
I'm not giving you 500.
This one small for 500. I bet. It's small. Mama, which kind of tomatoes be this one now?
This one na Kano, no be that Robana.
Kano kini. This one no go thick for soup, but stew.
I'll tell you that.
Ah.
I know the thing for food, I have people the rest. Huh?
They rush am like this.
Where? So,
Oh yeah, fishy well. Customer, this thing where they put no be fishy. Don't be fishy or fishy well. You understand? This one 250, this one 250, that is 500. Do am well oh. You see that pepper, it shits me. So you go do that one well. What's the name of that one, Sham? I know the video your face. I mean, want make I video your face.
no, I go give you.
Yes.
I don't go give me money.
No, I'm not gonna give him money now. No.
I go give me money, make you visit my place.
Put am well oh. This one no put am well. Customer beg.
And I saw you go send them for you to you go to talk. You go to buy market the sales much.
Yes.
I know good.
Customer do am well oh.
If you don't send them for you to just give me this one 2,000, this one 2,000.
Oh, that one you no fit see na.
No be so.
Everybody know say country no good na.
Abi, I
So when they see us with the price, no me.
no say I'm like that.
See her.
You don't come again today.
How you dey?
Fine.
How market?
Fine.
Hey, no fine fish here. But all these things na money kill am.
How fine?
Fine no. You get egusi?
Yeah.
Hampi. Akwara akwa ka nka ya kwa. Mana ị na-akwa ya?
Yeah.
Ọ ya egbu oge.
Ndakwara ya inchi.
Hand this here, hand this.
Big inchi.
It's not easy ka bugin. Mama na come buy fish, oh. See fine fresh fish here. See fine fresh fish, oh. See stock fish, everything fresh. The one how much? She said she should bring how much? Hey guys, good afternoon. How you guys doing? So I'm done buying from the market. Yeah, so I'm inside Keke right now going home. So we're waiting for passengers to enter. I'm the only one inside the Keke now, sitting down. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So I'm back from the market, okay? I'm back from the market. So now I want to prepare fish. Okay, I want to prepare pepper soup. What am I saying? I want to prepare the salad soup, that is white soup. Okay, so I bought two fish. I bought one for 3,000 naira. I bought the other one for 2,500. So I think I'm going to be use. I don't know if I'm going to use the two, or maybe I'll use the bigger one and the other one. There's something I want to try new, like this catfish stew. I don't know. I don't know if it's going to work out, but I'm just thinking of using the small one. Not that that one is small. The one I bought for 2,500, and the chicken to do catfish stew. But I don't know. Probably maybe I'll use it, or maybe I'll use the two um catfish to prepare white soup. Okay, so I'm not going to carry you along. I'm going to film the um white soup, but it will be totally in another video. I'll post it in another video. Okay, but I may still show you the outcome in this video when I'm done cooking. Okay, so stay tuned. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you're just coming across my channel for the first time. I will see you later, guys.